Hey guys, here's something very fun. This is these four sounds, the CH and the SH, which are ch and sh, and S and Z, which are s and z. Yeah. For example, CH is cheap and SH is sheep. The same? No, there's big difference between those two. So here are all the sounds together on one page, and we can compare them. Uh, so, for example, CH is ch, 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 ch. Do you hear it? I'm making a ch, ch, right? It's a quick burst, ch, ch, like a train, an old steam train, ch, 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 woo woo, ch, ch. In fact, children call that a choo-choo train because it goes choo, choo. It's like a chew. All right. So CH is ch, 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 very short, ch, like chip, like cheap, like chop. And SH is quiet. It's very smooth, like shh. When you tell a child to be quiet, you might say shh, shh, shh. Make that sound, shh. So there are the words ship, sheep, and shop. And then the S sound is like a snake. You know how a snake makes that sound? Tss, hisses. It's the S. Again, no voice there. SH, no voice. CH, no voice. Ch, 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 ch. And S is like sip, sip, or the name Sue, or ice, ice. Even though it's not an S, it's got the S sound, ice. And then the Z sound, and they have a picture of a bee because a bee makes a buzzing noise, bzzz, when it flies. Bzzz, that's the Z sound. Zzz. The Z is the same as the S, except you make a voice with it. So it's s with vibration. S. Hear that? It's like in zip and zoo and eyes. There's no Z in eyes. It's plural of eyes, but it has a Z sound. The S has a Z sound very often in plurals. Okay, two words and two sounds. The one on the left is cheap. Cheap means not much money. Cheap, cheap, CH, cheap. And the one on the right is sheep, sheep, sheep. So cheap and sheep, cheap, sheep. Hear the difference? Okay, let's try it. You tell me, what do you hear? Let's begin with one of these words. The word I'm going to say can either be cheap or sheep. Now listen, here's the word. Are you ready? Here we go. You can say it at home. The number, is it 1 or is it 2? Here we go. The word is sheep. Sheep. Is it 1 or 2? It's sheep. Yay! Yay! Who's yelling? Yay! We need an audience. Yay! It's sheep. It's sheep. All right. Let's go to the next one. 2 words. The word on the left is chip, like potato chip. Yeah, that looks like a potato chip. Chip. And the word on the right is ship. Ship. It's like a big boat, a ship. Ship. Okay, so chip, 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 or ship. 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 You can repeat after me. Chip. Ship. Chip. Ship. Big mouth. All right, let's try it. Here we go. I'm going to say one word. You tell me which number it is. You ready? Here's the word. Chip. 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 What is it? Is it 1 or 2? Say it out loud. 1 or 2? Yep, it's chip. Number 1. We need applause. Yay, number 1. Chip. Okay, let's continue. Viewers at home. Oh, here we go. Pay attention. Here we go. The word on the left is chew. Chew, chew, chew. And the word on the right is shoe. Shoe. Repeat after me. Chew. 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 The other one is shoe. Repeat. Shoe. 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 Yeah, do you hear it? I'm going to go back and forth. Chew. Shoe. Chew. Shoe. All right. So now you tell me, I'm going to say a word. You tell me, is it number 1 or is it number 2? Here's the word. Are you ready? Shoe. 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 What is it? 1 or 2? It's shoe. Number 2. It's shoe. Very good. Applause. Yay. Here we go. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to this one. So the word on the left is chop, chop. And the word on the right is shop, shop. Repeat after me. Chop, chop, chop. The word on the right is shop. Repeat after me. Shop, shop, shop. I go back and forth. Chop, shop, chop, shop, chop, shop. Okay, I'm going to say one word, and you tell me, is it number 1 or is it number 2? Here we go. And say the word out loud. Once you say the number out loud, once you know. Here we go. You ready? Chop. 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 What number is it? Yes, it's chop. Number 1. Chop. We need applause. Number 1. Chop. All right. Let's go to the next one. It's sip. Yeah, a little sip, sip, or zip. Sip, no sound. Sip, or vibration, zip. Okay, let's say it. Say it with me 3 times. Sip, sip, sip. Let's try the other one. Repeat after me. zip, zip, zip. Okay, I'm going to say one word, and you tell me, what is the word? Is it number 1 or number 2? Are you ready? Here it is. Zip. Zip. What is it, 1 or 2? It's zip. Yay! Okay, zip. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Oh, it's the name Sue. Sue. That's a woman's name. It's like Susan. Sue. Sue. Repeat after me. Sue. Sue. And the one on the right is zoo. Zoo. Repeat after me. Zoo. 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 Okay, I'm going to say one of these words. You tell me, is it number 1 or is it number 2? Here we go. Sue. 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 Is it number 1 or number 2? It's Sue. Yes, number 1, Sue. Yes, Sue. Yes. All right, here's the next one. This is different now. This doesn't have an S or Z in it, but the sounds are S or Z. For example, the one on the left is ice, 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 and the one on the right is eyes. Did you hear it? Eyes. So one is ice. It has an S sound. Ice. Say it with me. Ice. Or eyes. Z. Eyes. Eyes. What is it? Okay, here we go. I'm going to say one word. You tell me, is it number 1 or number 2? Here's the word. Are you ready? Eyes. 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 It's number 2. Eyes. Eyes. Yay. Applause. Yay. Eyes. Yes, it's eyes. Okay, here's another one. Here we go. The one on the left is bus. That's the S sound. Say it with me. Bus. Bus. And the one on the right is buzz. Buzz. Say it with me. Buzz. Yeah, that's the sound that a bee makes. Buzz. 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 It's a word too. Buzz. Okay, I'm going to say one word. You tell me what the word is. Is it number 1 or is it number 2? Bus. Bus. Is it 1 or 2? Bus. The tension is terrific. Here we go. It's bus. Yep, it's bus. Yay, bus. Bus. Okay, let's go to the next one. The one on the left is dose. Dose. You see this on a prescription sometimes. It tells you how much to take. It's called a dose or dosage. Dose. Dose. S. Dose. And the one on the right is doze. Doze. It means to fall asleep or to take a short nap is to doze. Say it with me. Doze. Doze. Dose. And the one on the right is doze. All right. Which do you hear? I'm going to say one of these words. You tell me which one you hear. Is it dose or is it doze. Oh, I didn't say it yet. Here we go. You ready? It's doze. Doze. Is that number 1 or number 2? Doze. Number 2, it's doze. Oh, sorry. Doze. Doze. You got it. Here are combinations. All together now. Cheap, sheep, chip, ship, chew, shoe, sue, zoo, sip, zip, chop, shop, ice, eyes, bus, buzz, dose, doze. Yay! Applause, applause, doze.